Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another Odoo 18 tutorial by Cybrosys. Today in this video, let's talk about the offboarding process in employees. When an employee leaves the company, Odoo provides a streamlined offboarding process to ensure all necessary steps are taken. For that, let's open the employees. This is the employee module. And here you have the card-like view of different employees. So you have to select any of these employees whom you are planning to, archive. Okay. So I am choosing this particular person, Doris Cole. And here you have a gear icon which is on the top left corner of the screen. Click on that and here you have archive. So click on archive, which will enable an employee termination pop-up. Okay. So here you have to complete the termination form. You will be having the employee's name and details and all. Okay. So this is the other thing, that is the departure reason. So you have to select the appropriate reason from the drop down. It can either be fired, resigned, retired, or even became freelancer. So I am putting it to resigned, and here you have to use the calendar to select the employee's last day of work. So let today be the last day, and here you have the detailed reason. So here you have to add a brief description for the employee's departure. Okay, and next you have the close activities. So you have to check the boxes next to any open activities to close or delete them. So for now we have this contract. So you have to set the contract's end date and all. So this is already set over here. So I'm just checking the contract. Okay, and in the HR info, in cases there'll be send access link, that is to send a download link containing the employee's HR files to their personal email. Okay, so once everything is provided, you can simply click on apply. It will make the employee archive, which means that person is no longer a part of your organization. So this is how easily you can manage with your offboarding in the employees module. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope that's clear for you all. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.